Hi, first graders. Let's reread the story, 6 Kids. I want you to read along with me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, my turn, and I'm going to drag my cursor underneath, and I'm going to say 6 kids, and read the sentence. Then I'll say, your turn, and it's your opportunity to read aloud as I swipe under the words. Let's practice. My turn, 6 kids. Your turn. Good. Hopefully, as I drag my cursor underneath without me talking, you use that opportunity to read the story out loud. Let's keep going. My turn. 6 kids go out. Your turn. Wonderful. My turn. 6 kids go up a hill. Your turn. Wonderful. My turn. 6 kids dig, dig, dig. Your turn. Wonderful job. My turn. 6 kids go down. Your turn. Wonderful. You guys are doing so well. I love listening to you read. My turn. 6 kids pick, pick, pick. Your turn. What are they picking in this story? Blueberries, my favorite. Your turn, or my turn. My turn. 6 kids are very blue. Your turn. Wonderful. My turn. 6 kids dip, dip, dip. Your turn. My turn. That will fix it. Your turn. Wonderful. My turn. 6 kids like it here. Your turn. Wow, you guys, that was fantastic. We are going to do an activity together. I'm going to do a little bit of a think aloud with you. Let me pull up what I want. We're going to talk about sequencing with key details from the story. So sequencing is the order in which key details happen. So it's putting main events in order from the beginning to the end. Find a key detail about what the 6 kids do first. In the story, and let's look back at the story. Let's go all the way to the beginning. The first thing that the 6 kids do is they go out. Then they go up a hill, right? So first thing, go out. Second thing, go up a hill. Let's go back to our, this one. First thing they do, 6 kids go up a hill. Let's use that one. Let's start from there. So let's take that and put it in the first box, because that's the first thing that happens. 6 chicks walk up a hill carrying farm tools. That's what they're doing, right? Carrying those farm tools. So the question is, what happens next? What do I put in this next box? See this arrow? This is the first detail. What happens next? Let's look back at the story. The next thing is they dig, dig, dig. Good job. All right. Let's go back. And let's add that here. 6 kids dig, dig, dig. That's what I would put here. Then 6 kids after that, they go down the hill with those farm tools again. So I might add that in my next column. They go down with those farm tools again. So I'd add those details in. Awesome job. Let's type it in just to do our thing. So we said 6 kids dig, dig, dig. 6 kids dig, dig, dig. Awesome job. It won't let me move it because that's how this program works. That's okay. Let's do another one. After that, the 6 kids go down with their farm tools. Let's add that. 6 kids go down with their tools. I would usually like to keep these inside the box, but this program is a little finicky, so it probably won't happen. But it's good to keep them inside the box when you're doing the activity. Thank you for doing that with me. You don't have to do this on your own. If you want to really challenge yourself, you could on a piece of paper draw these 3 boxes and list your own 3 details if you go back and listen to the story again. Great job, first graders.